Enshrouded in mist. Unlocking the enigmatic depths of thought and emotion. When enshrouded in mist, thoughts and emotions are veiled by an unrelenting fog, everything appearing blurry and elusive. It's as if we're lost in the labyrinth of our own thoughts, struggling to discern truth from illusion. However, in this pervasive mist, only through determination and insight can we unravel the enigmatic depths of thought and emotion, finding the path to clear cognition. In the fog of the soul, when thoughts and emotions are shrouded in mist, it feels as if a thin haze blankets the heart. This is not the time to give up but to traverse the mist with unwavering will. Just like an explorer in the depths of a forest, the moments when enshrouded in mist provide an opportunity to discover the profound mysteries within. Only in the pervasive mist can we perceive the keen heartbeat within, awakening a profound insight. Enshrouded in mist is the puzzle of thought and emotion, as well as the beginning of profound understanding. Don't let the mist engulf you. Instead, traverse the unknown with a brave heart. Just as dawn gradually dispels the mist, in moments enshrouded in mist, we will see the clear contours of thought and emotion. Only in the backdrop of mist can we hear the sensitive heartbeat, in the deepest recesses of the soul, unlocking the enigmatic depths